It's a very exciting day today for a few reasons. Here in the region I'm in southern Italy, we are in Zona Gialla, which means COVID restrictions have lifted. We can now travel from city to city within our region. By the way, hi! If we haven't met yet, my name's Katie. I moved to southern Italy a handful of months ago, and I've had a lot of adventures already. So if you want to see them, check out the other videos on my YouTube channel. I'm headed to Bari today, which is the closest big city to the town where I'm living in Trani. Today in Bari, I am recording the audiobook for my book, Cheese, Wine, and Bread, Discovering the Magic of Fermentation in England, Italy, and France. And actually, I'm going to catch the train right now, and I can't be late, so I have to keep on walking. I am going to Bari every single day this week. Bari is known for its focaccia. Oh, such good focaccia. Different regions of Italy do focaccia totally differently. So you might be familiar with the focaccia that is like kind of thicker, like fluffy. That's delicious, don't get me wrong. The kind of focaccia in Bari, focaccia barese, is crisp. It's got this like super crispy, crunchy crust. I just want to make sure we get a nice, clear audio sound of this, so just listen really close. I was chatting with Amit, who is one of the amazing members of the Quirky Club, my Patreon community. Hi everyone! And he was into this idea.
Sure.
How do you feel about pizza?
Oh, I totally hate. No, I'm kidding. I love pizza.
Fun fact, pizza basically derives from focaccia.
Really?
So, like, the oldest version of pizza in Italy was focaccia.
Go find yourselves some focaccia.
Huh. Today I learned. Wow.
Yeah, focaccia is a really big part of the cuisine in this part of Italy. A neighboring city called Bari, there is a focaccia barese. So it's this type of focaccia from Bari. And I was thinking of going to Bari and doing like basically a focaccia, eat as much focaccia as I can.
You have my stamp of approval for that.
Okay,
one,
great.
too.
Every day that I go to this studio to record audio for my audiobook, I'm also going to go to a new focaccia place. So let's see, let's go. Oh, that was so fun. Little breaky pooch.
Questo è bread dove si mangia focaccia.
Oppure c'è quello con l'hamburger.
Gratinato con la focaccia.
Ok, diciamo, con le maionese.
Grazie.
Grazie a te.
Wow.
Wow, proprio wow.
Sì.
Ciao, sono Tommy, ospito oggi la grandissima Katie Quinn che sta narrando il suo fantastico libro e mi ha chiesto se poteva mangiare della buona focaccia. Naturalmente dalle mie parti qui.
So we've got the olives, the tomatoes, and we've got the crispy bottom. Time to eat. Oh, wow. Tommy, è buonissimo.
È buona,
È buono.
È croccante,
Sì?
è gustosa, con le giuste spezie, un po' come tradizione barese.
So good.
E anche calda, si riusciva a mangiare.
That was amazing. Oh my God, I've never had focaccia that good in my life. Day one, off to a great start. Now the day's wrapped, about to hop a train back to Trani, and then the next day, let's do it all again. It is so surreal to be reading this Wine in Italy chapter. I never could have guessed I'd be living here and reading this audiobook in Italy. And in my ears here is my amazing director, Leo, who's in London. Leo, say hi to the folks.
Hello, everybody from NW10 London.
Yes. And today for lunch, I'm thinking more focaccia. A focaccia a day keeps the doctor away, right?
In another place.
Okay. So the situation with the focaccia.
Yes, mission focaccia.
Mission focaccia. We're trying to find another focaccia, a different one, diverso che ieri.
Yes.
And a lot of the places that would sell them, panificio, that makes bread, they're closed right now. So yeah,
It's
here's another
closed.
closed one. This is like the third one we've been to, trying to find some focaccia in Bari. È chiuso.
I need to make a call.
About focaccia or no? A different call. His call's not about focaccia. We'll let him do his call. His call was about focaccia. He's making a call to hook us up with the focaccia.
Allora, io e Katie stiamo in cerca di focaccia, differente dal Mr. Brave. Perché questo è chiuso, quello è chiuso. E dov'è? Ah! We try.
We try. Con coraggio!
Esatto. Forno Magia is open. Focaccia.
Oh, is this... He just spotted a man eating focaccia walking towards us. That guy. He was eating focaccia. Oh my gosh. Ah, bene. Oh, sì.
Siamo stati bravi.
Siamo stati bravi.
Sì, we found focaccia. La classica focaccia, quella proprio barese, quella buona. Grazie.
3 minuti me la posso.
Ah, 3 minuti?
3 minuti.
Ah, fantastico.
Yeah, us, we just have to wait a couple minutes for it to come out. And he's telling us that when it comes out, we've got to eat it all because this can't go. Because if you close it, because of the vapors, it's going to make it soggy. And soggy focaccia is not focaccia barese. So we've got to eat it all. Okay, by me. That's our focaccia. It was not just 3 minutes, but it's okay. We didn't wait that long. Fresh from the oven.
Fantastica focaccia appena sfornata.
Wow! È caldo.
È bollente.
Bollente.
Oh, si raffredda presto.
Sì, sì.
Cioè, non è che si raffredda, la focaccia va mangiata con una bella temperatura del forno. Il suo significato è come bere un caffè, il caffè è bollente, giusto?
Sì.
Quindi per me la focaccia va mangiata quasi bollente, non molto bollente.
Come questo.
Esatto. Ecco qua. Buona? Buona? Croccante. The olive never, come si dice?
Oh, it has the pit. It always has the pit inside. See, okay. So what he's saying is usually the olives on the focaccia have the pit inside.
Yes.
So the fact that this is pitless, would this suggest to you that it is not?
Esatto. It's good, but the olive is not regular. Focaccia tradizionale, olivo con nocciolo. But it's good.
I can't complain.
Però ti posso dire che è di buon impasto. Quella là aveva le spezie. La focaccia è naturale, senza spezie. Se avessero messo l'oliva naturale col nocciolo sarebbe stata perfetta.
See, okay. Uh-huh. That is a wrap on the day. So, a domani, senz'altro. Okay, so we're going to get day 3, more focaccia.
Focaccia Hunter. Ciao Finella. She's Finella, my best friend.
Oh, ciao Manella! You say, it's famoso.
Famoso, yes.
All right. It's closed.
Incredible.
Incredible.
I feel disappointed.
Oh!
Più gentile chiuso. E come mai? È una cosa stranissima. Abbiamo un'altra possibilità. Molto buona.
All right.
Yes.
Chi è l'ultimo?
Noi. Ok. Speriamo che ci siano le olive giuste. Non quelle denocciolate, quelle
No,
col...
quelle con nocciole.
Ah.
A spaccare il dente con le
Esatto, brava. La focaccia barese col nocciolo. Ah, vedi? They confirm my theory. Oh, e queste con le olive, col nocciolo, vero? Sì. Oh, bravo.
Senza noccioli non si può così.
Bravissimo, bravissimo. Bene, buona giornata e grazie. Arrivederci.
Grazie mille, ciao.
Oh, this is good focaccia. Faccio il test.
Sì,
ok. Excellent focaccia. Oggi è buona perché il pomodoro ha la giusta acidità. Pomodoro fresco.
Here we go. We've got the right olives. We've got the right tomatoes. Let's eat. Croccante e morbide. So it's got
The rule of duality.
yes, the rule of duality. That is like focaccia barese defined. It's got the crispiness, and it's also got the soft fluffiness. It's both. It's amazing. You do have to watch out for the olive bed, but this is what makes it legit.
Molto buono.
And so this is the perfect amount of oil, not too much oil, just right.
Yes.
For such a seemingly simple thing, you realize that there are so many elements that need to be perfected for an ideal focaccia. So don't take it for granted.
Okay,
This is-
Katie.
yeah.
The today test, I think it was good. This is
points.
the reference level.
This is the reference.
Okay.
Well, I think that's as great a way as any to end this focaccia challenge, this focaccia adventure of this week in Bari. You guys, this has been a great week. Thanks for joining. Quirky Club, my Patreon community. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hanging out in Italy with me. And don't forget to keep it quirky. Go find yourself some focaccia. Bye. Ciao, ciao, ciao.